Hi guys, to receive this LED bar light for reviewing purposes, I think it's really nice. When we open it, we see first the instruction manual, and then we have the main unit well protected with this foam. Okay, it comes also with all the parts that you need to assemble it, which I think it's really nice. Okay, let's take it out of here, and let's see. Okay. Getting this cap off, we could select the wattage and the light temperature. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it. Okay, and see how it looks. Okay. The installation is actually really simple. You just install the base plate in the ceiling, and you can hang the lamp to the base plate while you do the proper wiring. Okay. Once we are done with the wiring, we just need to place the supporting screw, and that's all. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already soldered. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, as you can see, it's really nice. It's really powerful. Okay, even though it's broad daylight, we can still see and be highlighted by the light. And because a cap, as I've said, in here, and we can select the white, and that's in paper. As you can see, there's a warmer white. Okay, now slow down the wattage, as you can see, and neutral white and cold white, which I think is really nice. A little bit of cold white, okay, and I think it's perfect for your garage or where you want to place it, on the outside of your house. I think it will be a great addition. It's really easy to install. You just place the base and that's all. Make the wiring obviously, and that's all. I really like it. The material feels of a really nice quality, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.